Hey, Adam, you won't believe what my sister said to me yesterday.
Oh yeah? What did she... Wait, hang on. What did you just say?
That you won't believe what my sister said to me? What, is my grammar showing again?
Just a tiny bit. And you know what? That's the perfect way to start today's episode. That little mistake is something even advanced learners get tripped up on all the time.
Oh, perfect. I'm the real-life example. So what should I have said? Told me?
Exactly. Told me. And that's our topic for today. Welcome everyone to English with Adam. I'm Adam.
And I'm Veronica. We're a husband and wife team here to help you improve your English in a fun, relaxed way.
That's right. And today we're diving deep into two little words that cause a lot of confusion. Say and tell.
Okay, so I know I made the mistake, but I don't really know why it was a mistake. They feel so similar.
They do, and that's totally normal. But there's one key difference, and it's all about sentence structure. Let's start with tell. The golden rule for tell is it needs a person right after it.
A person. Okay, like an object pronoun. Me, you, him, her, us, them?
Precisely. You always tell someone something. So for your example, your sister told you. The structure is tell plus a person plus the information.
Right, so she told me a secret, or can you tell him the news?
Perfect examples. In both cases, you have the verb tell followed immediately by the person who is receiving the information, me and him.
You can't just say she told a secret. The listener is left thinking, who? Who did she tell?
That makes sense. It feels incomplete. So tell is all about the transfer of information to a specific person.
You got it. That's the main idea. Now, let's look at say. Say is different. Say focuses on the words themselves, not the person hearing them.
So the structure is usually just say plus the information. For example, she said she was tired. Or with direct quotes, she said, I'm tired. Notice there's no person right after said.
Okay, so the direct object of say is the thing that was said, the words.
Exactly. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. You can include a person with say, but you have to add a little word. Any guesses?
Ooh, to? Like she said to me?
Yes, that's it. If you want to mention the listener with say, you must use to. So let's go back to your original sentence. You could say, you won't believe what my sister told me, or you could say, you won't believe what my sister said to me.
Ah, okay, so it's either told me or said to me, but never said me.
Never ever said me. That's the big one to remember. Think of it like this. Tell has the to sort of built into it. Say needs to borrow it.
I like that. Tell has the to built in. That's a good way to remember it. So what about questions? Is it the same?
Good question. It's actually a bit different. We usually use ask for questions, but if we're using say or tell, we generally use tell for instructions or commands, like the teacher told the students to open their books.
Right, an order.
Yeah, and we use say to report the words that were spoken. For example, the students said they didn't have their books. See the difference?
Yeah, one is a command, the other is just reporting a statement. That makes sense.
Okay, now for the fun part. There are also some fixed expressions or collocations where you just have to use one or the other.
Oh, English and its rules that have exceptions to the rules. My favorite.
I know, but these are pretty common. For example, with tell, you always tell a story, tell a lie, tell the truth, and tell the time.
Okay, so you'd never say a story.
Nope, it just sounds wrong to a native speaker. And for say, we have things like say hello, say goodbye, say thank you, say sorry, and say a prayer.
Got it. Those are pretty ingrained. You just have to kind of memorize them as phrases.
Exactly. Practice and exposure are key. The more you hear them, the more natural they'll become. So let's do a quick recap, a mini quiz. Ready?
Ready, hit me.
Okay, sentence 1. My dad always blank, to be honest.
told me, because me is right after the verb.
Excellent. Next one. Good morning. She blank.
Said, it's a direct quote. The focus is on the words.
Perfect. Last one. A bit harder. What did the manager blank to you in the meeting?
Ooh, say, because of the little word to. What did the manager say to you in the meeting?
Yes, you've completely got it. It's really that simple once you see the pattern. Tell someone, say something. And if you mix them, you need that too. Say something to someone.
Oh, like using more descriptive verbs. That sounds interesting. Tell me more.
You did great on the quiz, but say and tell are just the beginning. There's a whole world of other verbs we use to report what someone said, and they can add a lot more meaning and nuance to our sentences. Instead of just saying, he said he was angry, you could say, he shouted that he was angry. The second sentence gives you a much clearer picture, doesn't it?
It really helps. So I hope this was useful for all of you listening as well.
We hope so too. And we have a challenge for you. In the comments below, we want you to write 2 sentences. One using say correctly and one using tell correctly.
Yes, we'd love to see your examples. It's the best way to practice. And while you're down there, if you found this episode helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English with Adam.
It really helps our channel grow and allows us to help more English learners just like you. Thanks so much for joining us today.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.